and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in with me today for another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a very minimal look for you guys. This is going to be something very easy to do, quick, simple. This video is really dedicated for somebody who may be short on time, or if you have children like myself and you really just don't have the time to sit in front of your mirror for an hour and really take your time with your makeup. This video is for you. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. That is what is on the agenda. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. But before we do, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Yeah. Alright guys, so as always, no matter what kind of makeup application that you're going to be doing, you always want to prep your skin. Good skin is the key to a flawless makeup application. Whether it's a full face of makeup or minimal, you still want to make sure you're prepping your skin, hydrating your skin, and giving your skin the much needed nourishment that it needs before you put makeup on top. So what I'm going to do is do my mini skincare routine for you guys. I've already washed my face. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you guys how I moisturize before I prime my skin. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my hyaluronic acid by Youth, and this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this on my Instagram page, and I've done a video with it before, so I always start with this. Well, not all the time, but I am, for today. I'm just going to show you guys how I take care of my skin. And you just want to really work that in. And always remember, when you're applying your products to your face, you always want to rub it in an upward motion. And then next, I'm going to take my anti-aging serum. It has vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. And it's really good for your skin. And this is just what that looks like. I'm just going to use about that much. You could say that's about a dime size amount. And I'm going to also just really work that into my skin. Once I put on my serums, I do want to put on a moisturizer as well, and so I'm going to use my day and night cream by Youth as well, and that's just what it looks like. So I just go in with my moisturizer and really work it in. And if you don't have these products, that's completely okay. You just can use whatever serums and moisturizers that you have. But I will leave a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in checking out all of the Youth skincare products. They're definitely worth the money. Moving right along, let's go ahead and get into the makeup portion. So when I want to do a minimal makeup look, you can use a lightweight foundation or sheer to medium coverage foundation, but what I'm going to be using is a CC cream, and the CC cream that I'm going to be using today is by Mary Kay, and I'm using the shade Deep. And so this is like super lightweight. This isn't going to give you like a super full coverage or anything like that. So if you have like dark spots or anything that you would like to cover up, I do recommend going in with a concealer first. So I just I know it looks like I have on a lot, but when I tell you this doesn't really give you a lot of coverage, it really doesn't. So that's why I kind of went in with a heavy hand. And then I'm just taking my brush and just blending the product out all over my face. So this is one layer of the CC cream, and looking at me, you can tell that it gave me a very even coverage, a very natural finish. It's not super heavy. It looks very skin-like, and that's what I love about these CC creams. Now, again, this is supposed to be something that you can do quick, something that you can do when you're in a rush, when you're in a hurry. So you could stop right here. I do still recommend setting it because it can come off on your finger like a foundation or a foundation or any other makeup product. So I do still recommend that you set it. You know, if you don't want to set it, you know, it is optional. That is completely up to you, but I do recommend setting anything that you put on your face so that it doesn't slide and move and, you know, get all over your hair or your face. So before I set, I am still gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes a little bit, because even though we are doing a minimal makeup, I still like to, you know, highlight a little bit under my eyes. And I'm just going in with my NARS. This is my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Amande, I think that's how you say it. And I'm just going to highlight in my usual areas, but I'm just not going to use as much concealer as I normally would. Okay, so once everything is blended out, you should look a little bit something like this. And again, it's not full coverage. It's still very natural and very skin-like. Once I've applied my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set. And I'm going to set the same way I normally would, but I'm not going to be baking. I'm not going to be using a whole lot of powder. We're going to use as small amount of powder as we can, because we still want this to be a very natural look. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that. And I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. And I think this is in the shade Peach. Deep Peach is what that's called. Same one that I've been hooked on here recently. And I've probably used it in almost every single video that I've made since I received it. So my concealer is set, and then I'm going to take my Too Faced powder and set the rest of my face. And this one is in the shade Translucent Deep. We only need a small amount of product so that we don't overdo it. Alright, so I just ran a little bit of my translucent face powder on the sides of my nose, and then the excess that's left over on the brush, I just kind of run it into my crease. And it also can act as an eyeshadow too. You know, again, this is supposed to be something you can do very quick. So you could just run this in the crease of your eyelids, and it's like you did a little bit of eyeshadow, and you can just throw on some mascara and go. It adds a little bit of depth and dimension as well. So that's a little trick or a little hack that I use sometimes when I don't have time for eyeshadow. Kill two birds with one stone. So my face is pretty much set. I have my face set and I have my concealer set. And you could totally stop right here, put on some mascara, throw on some lip gloss, and head right out the door. But I do want to put on a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlighter. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to use my Peachy Love Trio by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to go in with this middle shade. On camera, it is being kind of washed out a little bit, but it's way darker in person. It's like a very peachy, pinky. It's not pink, but it's not super peachy either. It's like a good in-between. So I'm just going to go in with that and apply that on my cheeks. And then that's it. And then I'm going to throw on just a little, the smallest amount of highlighter. I know you guys are used to seeing me light my face up like it's a Christmas tree. But I'm not going to do that today, because we do want to still keep this very simple, effortless, and easy. So I'm just going to be putting on just the tiniest amount of highlighter. And then same thing on this side. Just a very tiny amount, and then just a smidge bit on the nose, because I love a good nose highlight. and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna highlight my forehead or my chin today. So next I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and this is just the Morphe Set and Fresh Mist and the scent Starberry. This is the one that they did with Jeffree Star, but I just bought it because it was pink. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. Because my eyebrows are naturally thick and naturally full, and we want to keep this makeup to look very minimum and very quick, I'm not going to fill in my brows. All I did was just take my eyebrow gel and just run it through my brows and kind of just brush them into place and kind of remove any makeup that may have got in them, and then I'm just going to leave them just like this. And then lastly, I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara. So this is pretty much the finished look. Something simple, very quick and easy to do. A look like this I could probably do in 10 minutes or less. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it definitely was helpful. If you like this video and it is helpful, leave me a comment down below. Just let me know. If you try to recreate this or use some of the products that I use, take some pictures on your social media. Tag me. I love to interact with people who watch my videos. It makes me feel really good, and it kind of motivates me to keep making these videos for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. So until next time.